Hello, I'm Ed French, and this is lesson 4 of perhaps as many as 50 art lessons for beginners to intermediate. Today I'm going to draw a hand, and the reason for the hand is most all of us got one. We can use as a model, and there are many, many lessons to be learned from that. Um, it's more difficult to draw from life than it is from a photograph because you're dealing with, for one thing, the third dimension, and that is this dimension, not just these two. And I want to encourage you to do things you cannot do in drawing here. Like in life, you learn more from doing what you cannot do than just doing the same things over and over again, things that you're safe with. One of the things that will hinder learning in art, as with about anything in life, is pride. You want to, then that means you in art you want to stay safe with what you know, and it will hinder you from learning. So we'll start that hand. We'll do that hand, the whole hand. I'm going to keep it, like I said, flat. Later on, we'll do things like this, draw hands like this. See if I can figure out how to do that for you. And you want to pay attention to now proportions. That is, for example, how big this, how long this is compared to how deep the whole hand is. And comparing as you draw one part as compared to this one, this finger, and this dimension here, and so forth. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Using a General brand charcoal pencil, 6B. It's extra soft, and I'll make the drawing darker than I normally would. My first length of direction line is going to draw from here to here. And so I'll make this almost life size. Okay, and I'll cross axis. A cross axis here. Now divide it up here. I think I'll do this with a contour line. And these lines don't have to be, you can one of the things we don't do is we don't erase in these lessons. And if a line doesn't work for you, draw another one. Length of direction, cross axis. Let's see here. All the time comparing where this point is compared to where this point is over here. Make a cross-axis line. Another length of direction line, cross axis, length of direction. Okay, now we'll do some contours. Thumbnail, a contour line for the thumb. Little detail here. And another contour line. Try to hold the hand still. I learned to do this in art school, drawing nude models. And I don't know quite what to make of that, but anyways, we'll talk about that later. Some contour lines. This is a method for drawing things that you can see, and sketches are based on this. Sketching, which goes a lot faster. This is just a demo drawing, and it's difficult to do because of holding your hand like this. It's, I don't know, it does something to your balance. Okay, a contour line based on a length of direction line there. Let's see, this finger has moved, it looks like. Let's go ahead and put in another length of direction, cross axis, length of direction.